Yun, ngayon, dito na tayo. Hello! Today is an unboxing video about the Crybaby Crying Parade. And ito yung buong box na to, nabili ako. Napunta ako sa Mart ng MOA. So, na-sold out na itong series na to. So, sakto, napunta kami sa Gateway. Nakita ko sa itong shop na to, sa Fuel Bar. Sa loob ng shop na to, meron sila yung buong box pa. So, dahil na sobrang gusto ko itong series na to, and then sabi ko, gusto ko na talaga ng buong box na bili ako. So, dahil nabili akong buong box, meron sila ng 10% discount. And then, dahil doon, and mabait din asawa ko, sabi niya, gamitin ko na lang yung card niya. So, siya na mabayad para sa akin. So, ito yung gift niya para sa akin. Woo! So, today, ma-unboxing na tayo. Let's go! So, ang ganda yung itong box na to. Yung itong card na to, pwede ma-recycle, pwede tayo ma-frame yan. So, let's go. Simulan na tayo. So, simulan tayo sa dito. Eee! Oh my gosh. So, sa itong box na to, meron siya na, yan, Crying Parade. And then, Crybaby and Mart. So, sa itong box na to, meron siya ng 12 ng design. So, kung na-bless ka, you'll get the secret item. So, praying na this is the secret item that in this box, we will have at least, meron tayo itong secret item. So, itong item na to, nakita ko na din is the, like the elephant with the king. So, sobrang ganda niya. So, let's start it. Open na tayo to. So, this is the duckling. Oh, okay. So, itong first ay ugly duckling. Bakit ugly? So, actually, hindi siya ugly. Ang ganda niya. Wow. So cute. So, bakit ugly duckling siya? Ang ganda-ganda niya. So, this is the swan. Is duck pala. Duckling yun eh. So, yun. Ang ganda niya. With the little wings. Yun. Oh, so cute. So, ano palagay dito? It's come with a star. So, okay. Gawin natin. Now, we're going to make it stand muna. Yun. Okay. And then, going to open all these accessory niya. Okay. And now, we're going to put this. Oh, this is. Lalagay natin dito. Yan. Meron na siya ng star. Ang cute. Love it so much. Oh. Ito yung tears niya. Orange color ng hair niya. Wow, so cute. Together with the duckling niya. So, this is the first one. Okay, the second box now. Woo! Let's see what is inside. The second box is... Oh, this is the letter. Kapag sabi nila, kapag bili ka ng tatlong ng the letter, you can put the letter together with it. So, yan. Oh, this is the brown baby. Ang cute. Ang ganda niya. I see a lot of people na collect na itong itong brown baby. Ang ganda niya. So cute. Okay. Open natin yung mga accessory niya. Oh. So yung accessory talaga na come together with C-R-Y cry and the flower. And also together with yung itong rabbit ba to? So, stand muna siya. Yan, ganda niya. So, let him hold the flower. Ay, tama po ba? Yan. Ito pala. Hold the flower. And, pwede siya na lagay na mga letter dito. And because the hand, meron siyang butas, so pwede siya na hawak ng letter. I think so. Okay, ayaw. Okay, ayaw. Oh, yun. Okay. Yeah. Finally. Oh, cute. Ang ganda niya. So, it come together with the... Oh, ito. I think it's the rabbit. Yeah. Cute. The brown baby with the rabbit. I think I really love this color now. And then this is the white baby. And then this is the brown baby. Oh, cute. Okay, fine. Now, we're going for the third box. Okay. Wow, I think this box is quite heavy and then full siya. I think most of the people say na kapag yung full na yung box niya, there's a chance get the secret. Kung hindi naman, I think it's the lion. I think ito yung free lion. Pero I really want this talaga. Okay. It comes with the mouse. The mouse and ito yung mouse and the hook. So, the third one is, oh, sabi ko na nga eh, it's a really lion. Wow. So, this is the lion. Oh. So, it's like a brown lion. And then, the material ito ay parang medyo siyang ng fur. Ang cute din naman. So, let it stand. Ginamit natin ito. Ngayon siya ng hula hoop. Together with the mouse. And of course, this is the stand niya. So, yung stand niya nga dito guys. Yan. So, the hoop. Paano yan? The hoop, meron siya ng pwede i-hook dito eh. So, paano po siya? Ganito lang. Just like that. And then, wala lang. So, yun. Wala naman yung butas eh. So, yun. This is the lion. The free lion. Together with the mouse. Okay. And then the next is... I think there's no chance for the secret. Okay. Wala naman laking box. I think this is quite full. And ito din. Yan. Okay. Pero, I think there's no chance for secret na siya. Okay. Fine. And then the pang-apat. Okay. So, pang-apat box is, this is long leg clown. Long leg clown. So, ito, meron din siya na accessory. Yung head niya. Ito, the balloon dog. And the balloon, so cute naman. Okay, fine. This is the clown. So, for the clown, it's white color. Ang puti naman yung kulay niya. So, a bit scary. So, it's not really my thing. Pero yun, nandiyan lang siya tumatayo. Yun. And then, you can let it hold the balloon. Okay, hold it, baby. Yes, hold the balloon, baby. Like that. Oh, pwede din naman. Cute din naman siya. So, the head. Paano yun? Oh, okay. The head dito, meron siya ng manek dito. So, it's can... cute din. And then, together with the... Oh, no. Together with the... This is the balloon doggy. Cute din naman siya. So, ito yan. Okay. Peter, don't cry. Okay. Next item na tayo. Okay. So the next item we have this, the drummer. Okay. So yun, ito ay the drummer. Oh, it's cute. Every item, bakit meron siya ng, ayun. So this is the drummer. Ang cute niya. Together with the drum. And yung gamit niya is so detailed. Ay. So, yan. Yaman na. And then together with the accessory niya. So, yung accessory niya, drumstick. Oh, it's a duckling. So, yun yung accessory niya. So, on the drumstick. Yun. With the stand. Oh, so cute. Together with the duckling. So, this is the drummer. Crybaby drummer. Cute. The next is, we have this is the go-go. Oh, keep go-go pala. It's a keep go-go. Yeah, so this is the keep go-go together with the blue tears niya. Cute. Oh, set face over here. Oh, what is that? Okay, meron siya ng scratches here. Ano, it's just the dirt. Yan, ang cute niya. Oh, yung paa niya is one up. Oh, it's a injure. I didn't notice that. Na-injure na pala siya. So, yan. I'm going to put the accessory as well. So, yung accessory niya, meron siya ng banner. Go, go, go! And then, meron din siya. Oh! Ang cute! And then, meron din siya na itong turtle. Oh. And then, of course, together with the stand niya. So, this is the go, go, go. And then, lagay natin ng banner niya. Yun. Oh, cute baby. Just like that. Oh, diba? When you are sad, when you think that you cannot move on anymore in life. So, when you look at this, keep going and keep going. Parang buhay natin lang minsan. Meron naman panahon na mahirapan tayo. Pero, we still keep going. Keep going. Go, go. Okay. Next item. Oh. Next item is, oh, banana. Oh, alam ko na to. This is also the cute. Oh, super love it. This is the fall. So, kasama yung banana niya. In Chinese, sabi niya, 出走香蕉, the fall banana. Yun. Okay, let's see the cute baby inside. Oh, okay. I got it. Oh, my baby. Crying dahil nasaktan siya. Gusto niya na mag-give up. No, don't give up. Oh, dito pala na siya doon. Don't give up. Kahit minsan nandapa na tayo, pero in life, don't give up pa din. And then kasama yun yung banana niya. Dahil sa banana niya, na dulas po siya. Oh, so cute. So cute. Oh. Yan. Oh, this is the banana. So, together with the baby. Big girl, don't cry. Kahit nasaktan ka. Pero still, don't give up. Oh, I notice here. Sa baba niya. Oh, cute. Meron siya nipper. Crybaby. Pop Mart together with ng... Oh, ito nasugat siya. X. Oh, so cute. Now I really love the brown baby. Oh, see? The brown. Cute. Okay, next item tayo. Ilan na? Now I left 4 boxes. Okay. Keep going. Oh, monkey. So the next item we have in here is the... Oh, monkey talaga siya. Monkey. Let's open it. So the monkey. Oh, it's really a monkey. And then... Oh, they wrap it so nicely. So this is the monkey. Oh, I think the material also, ano siya, konting furry siya. Oh, cute. Okay, now I'm going to put on the stand. So, monkey. So, ganito lang siya. Can I just put on top of this? Pero walang siyang neck siya. Ganito lang siya. Oh, so cute. Monkey. Unggoy. And then with the small baby monkey. The monkey also, crying din siya. How cute. Okay. Next item din tayo. So, let's go. I saw is it the poodle dog? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Cute. It's a pink color. This one I love also. Dahil sa pink color niya. Can I see? Oh no. Oh, cute. Ang cute. Dahil sa pink color niya. I love it so much. Oh, cute. Yung skirt niya. Double layer. Oh, so nice. Okay, yung accessory niya. Ayun. So, yung accessory niya. I saw. Oh! Yun. With the poodle dog. And then also come with the cute pamaypay. This is the pamaypay. So, we're going to put this sa kamay niya. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh. Then we may extend muna. So, here we go. Oh, ang ganda. I love this. I love. Oh, I love this. Yes, I can. Ang ganda ng pink niya. Oh, dahil pink lover din ako. Dahil sa Molly. Oh, this is also pink. Ang ganda. Okay. Next, we're going to open the next box na. Oh, I so enjoy this. Wow, it's so detailed siya. Ang ganda, baby. Okay. next item na tayo. Yes. Oh, good girl. Ah, good girl is the pink color also. Ang ganda. Okay, let's open it. Good girl ka ha. Be a good girl lagi. Oh, cute. So, the good girl is the pink color. And meron din siya ng bubble dito. Oh, ang ganda. So nice. Okay. Oh, okay. Meron siya ng ano siya, skating siya. Good girl with the skating. So, ano ang accessory niya? Meron siya ng baboy. Together with the banner. So, the banner niya, one happy and one sad. But every day, we have the choice to make. Let's make it happy and rejoice every day. Huh? And then, ito yung pinaka-cute din. Oh, come with the baboy. The piggy, crying piggy. Oh, cute. Tingnan mo buntot niya. Oh, cute. So, ay, naku, itong talaga lagi nahuhulog. Tabi mo na lang. Okay, there, I put you here. Okay, ang cute. Okay, next na tayo din. So now we left 2 boxes. Let's see what is inside over here. Oh, it's a ano din, duckling inside. So the next box is dun, dun, the trumpet. The trumpet. Oh, the box inside. So this is the trumpet, brown and pinkish baby. Together with the accessory, open natin din. Stand muna. Oh, maybe less. 10. Okay, cute. And then together with the, meron siya na baby duck. Oh, iyak din siya. Crying din yung duckling. And then we also have this, yung trumpet niya. Wow, so cute. Ito ba? Lagyan natin sa kamay niya. Oh, yun. Oh, cute. So cute. The trumpet girl. Boy para siya. Yung dami niya parang boy. So, yun. So cute. I love every pieces sa itong series na talaga to. Super love ko sila. And together with the duckling. Okay. Okay, ngayon nasa last box na tayo. Oh, no chance off. Wala na. Wala na chance for the secret. It's okay. Because I love every pieces over here. So here, meron siya ng, oh, the hot dog, doggy. And then with the microphone. Ay, microphone. Yun. So, this one, we also have, ito yung pangalan ay, oh, peace, please. Peace, please. So, this is the Peace, please, police. So, oh, yung sa likod niya may flower, ang cute. So, this is how it look like. Ang cute niya. Gift giving time! Kung natira kayo sa Pilipinas and you have the chance to win this piece. Dahil meron ako ng extra ng box na to, sa loob ito ay Peace Please, Crybaby Police. And then dahil meron akong extra, you got the chance to win this box. So naka-open na po siya, pero yung nasa loob niya is still sealed. So, if you stay in Philippines and ito yung instruction ko lang, please subscribe to my channel and then also, please comment your name below. So, sa end of July 31st, I will pick one winner who able to win this crying parade. Itong police na to. So, ano pa inaantay nyo? Subscribe na and comment below. See you guys soon!